Don't draw anything without practice. Hey, I am artist Muthuswami. Today I will teach how to draw for beginners step by step. I want to starting with the basic of drawing over lines and shapes. Materials we need: pencil, paper, eraser. Don't get hung up on your tools. You have whatever you want to draw with this fine. Simple shapes. Line. First thing I want you to do is make a bunch of dots down the other side of your paper. We are going to be connecting those dots with a line. Keep your wrist straightly. If you draw with your wrist, you are far more likely to get a curved lock. Practice. Everything you will be drawing is made up of simple shapes, that is square, circle, square. Any kind of square that you want to draw is just a bunch of points that we are connecting with the lines. I want to fill with the squares. Practice each lines individually. Circle. Circle are not using straight line. Make the circular motion with the entire arm. Feel free to go over the circle. Three-dimensional shape. Many things in our life are three-dimensional. Cube. If you want to draw simple cube, draw square, draw angled line, coming of three corners, those with the two more lines. Sphere. Draw circle and give shadow and lightening areas. Cone. Cone is pretty easy. It is a triangle. The bottom we are going to add an ellipse here. Take a pencil and paper. Draw now. Thanks for watching.